Yo, Tyler, yeah, I have it saved for later, bro. I got it saved for later. Live on everything. Live on TikTok. Level up, chat. Level up. Live on TikTok. Live on Twitch. Live on YouTube. Level up. By the way, watch the stream on YouTube. Only Tyler gets to watch the stream on Twitch. Because I'm just testing on Twitch. I'm not really streaming on it. It's so cool how I can see like every chat. I can see the YouTube and the other side too. It's fire. That's so cool. Alright. Yo, you guys see this? What's up, chat? Damn, Twitch chatters to the moon. Yo, it's, oh man, I can't wait till I make the full transition. What's up, guys? We had a good day yesterday. Hold on, let me check Twitch out. Yo, is Tyler, is the thing on Twitch like all good? Is like the screen and all that? Oh yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah, everything's perfect.
Wow, music's good. Yeah, I don't gotta change anything. Cool. Cool. So let me go on and put trades called. Let me take this out. This from yesterday. Gold buys we had yesterday. That we had that. Perfect. Trades taken. You had that and that. Hello? Cool. And then today's focus. Do you have news today? All right, cool. So today we have at 10 a.m. we have CAD rate statement, which is interest rates pretty much at 10 a.m. I believe they're keeping the same rates too. So I'm not sure about stream till 10 a.m. I'll let you guys know how the day goes. I'm not sure how my schedule is gonna work today with the workout and shit. I have no clue. I don't know if I'm doing a later workout. I don't know if I'm gonna do an early workout. Let's see. I have it on my schedule as a 9 a.m. workout. I'll let you guys know. If today's volatile, I might stay. If it's not, then I think Andre will be okay with me chalking until later, right? Yeah. So, yeah, we should be good. But yeah, let's see. Let's see how the day goes. Starting off with gold here. Let's see what we're in. So price is obviously, well, we closed kind of bearish on the daily time from here, right? So you would normally expect price to continue down, but the thing is, like, I was expecting a very choppy day today, not to clean this, just because we closed bearish, but we closed right at that support there. So I'm a bit skeptical about that, and this is a resistance form. Obviously, this is the range that we're in. The probability of us going down though is a lot higher than us going up, just because we did close bearish, and a weekly time frame is bearish as well. What's it bearish? Yeah, it was bearish as well. So the chance of us going down today is higher. But I'm not really expecting much, honestly, from gold today. This is what I would expect price to do if it were to come down today. But since it closed right at that support, I'm not sure if that will be today or not. I think I need a closure. But again, price might just break it impulsively. Who knows? This is a daily time frame though. 10 hours left for a daily closure. I believe 4 hours also bearish as well. I believe 4 hour has room to continue down here towards the 1884.484 580 level. Makes sense, but I think for sells to happen today for me, or at least for me to take positions, I'm gonna need oh my, we have the emotes. Let's go, Marcos. We have the emotes. Can YouTube see that? Oh, that's so cool how YouTube can see that. That's like banned, no? That's like hacked. So yeah, I believe sells below 1887 would be ideal here. If we were to get sells below here, coming down towards the next level of support, which is gonna be somewhere. It's kind of choppy, not that clean. I want to say somewhere down here. That'd be pretty clean. The range to go down here is 20 or 20, yeah, 29 pit range going down. I think I need a closure though for sells to really work and play out here though. But yeah, should be ideal for sells. Maybe we can actually anticipate something too. We can actually anticipate sells if we were to maybe potentially close bearish here, creating a resistance within this range here. Then we can anticipate sells coming down to retest the lows. That's something you can probably look for. Not too shabby. Ooh, 20-second delay on Twitch. Ah, shit. That's fine. It's fine because it's just you watching it anyways for the editor. Oh, you're watching from YouTube side anyways. That's good. I'll change it tomorrow. GG on the other hand, G looks like it is bullish here. We have created support yesterday. We have closed bullish right at support. So I believe today we have a high chance. It's like a fake out too. If you consider yesterday as a closure below and today we're coming back into the range, you consider this as a fake out. As we close below and now we're popping back into the range, high chance you have for price to drive up here towards 155,600. GG isn't as bad as gold today. GG doesn't look bad surprisingly, but I'm looking for buys here today until 155,600. I believe that's a 50 pit range going up we have remaining. Obviously for buys though, you're probably gonna want, ooh, that's clean. You're probably gonna want buys above this resistance here, above 155,300. Above there going up would be ideal here. Let's see, how big is this range? The next resistance would be right around, I want to say here. The range to go up is 18 pit range, not bad at all. I'm definitely looking for buys above 155,306 there. Buys above. You probably want a closure too. By the way, guys, I had 9 hours of sleep yesterday. 9. I went to bed I was tired at 6, but I forced myself to stay. I was gonna take a nap. I'm like, no, I'm gonna stay up till 8, 9. I'm falling asleep right at 9. So I was playing Apex Legends to keep myself awake, and then when 9 came, I just knocked out. So that's the first time I slept at 9 in like 2 months probably. I fixed my schedule, I think, which is good. You know, what was this Twitch or YouTube side? This is a YouTube stream, chat. This is a YouTube. I don't have a Twitch channel yet, but I do. But it's private. Yeah, I should put for private, so you guys can't watch it on that side. How many viewers do you have on this?
Yo, imagine someone raided you mid-stream.
Bruh, guys, we're moving over to Twitch today, you know.
Just moving to Twitch.
We're moving over to Twitch. Fuck it.
1,000 viewers.
Right, some raids me. Yeah, but I feel like a rating, bro, doesn't really help. Well, especially for like stuff like this doesn't help, but I feel like
it helps if you're like friends with the other streamers.
If you guys have a similar like streaming things, like, you know, if the other guy like streams FX or something and he raids you, like the stock guy, if he raid me, I'll get like a decent percentage of them that'll stay for FX because there's no other FX streamer.
Yeah.
Easy clap emotes in the chat. Things like YouTube has no idea like what the Twitch emotes are or anything. Yeah, it's gonna be a change. I don't know what chats you even look at. There's so many chats. Jeez. Hey, at least a Twitch chat, it shows like, is that Nightbot? It shows it at purple. That's kind of cool. Definitely color for streaming. Cool. Good morning. What up, Kara? Sun, yeah, Sun. How you guys doing today? We got 100 people in here right now. On the YouTube side. Are you on Twitch chat? No, I'm not. I'm not on Twitch chat. I'm on YouTube till like for a minute, yeah, for a while. So
How's Don's volume to everyone else in the Zoom? Can you guys hear him fine?
is it low?
Feels low. I don't know if it's just me.
I hear him fine.
Oh, maybe you gotta turn yours.
Me.
Maybe YouTube size low. You said.
Zoom is low.
Zoom is low. Oh, okay. I got you. Broadcast stream, chat. Actually, that's it. I don't got much I can do. Hello. Is that louder?
I got my volume turned all the way up, but you
Is
just
that-
sound quiet. I feel like I can barely even hear the music too.
Is that louder?
It's at like a 2 out of 10.
What now?
Like a 2.5 out of 10. Don't worry about it. You're good.
Mars. Can you hear me good?
I hear.
Yeah, I can hear you fine.
Oh, yeah, Andre. I'll try leaving and come back. Maybe that's why. I don't know.
Yeah, the Twitch chat's looking so fun.
Oh my god, the emotes. The volume's good. Yeah, volume's good. I think he's talking about like the Zoom audio. But chat, we have a good decent day today. Something I'm looking forward to. Surprisingly, looking forward to trading GJ today. Above like that range at 155 306. Looks pretty clean. Awesome now, Andre. What do you think? I think that's a pretty sexy buy above there.
Yeah, I just on GJ.
Yeah.
Not really a fan of that resistance on the 30. There's like this little cluster at 15536. I'm gonna be a little precautionary. I'm probably not gonna trade GJ, to be honest, just because it doesn't look good. This right here.
Really?
If you just stop moving. You got this little resistance right here, then you got this. This is like 5-6 pips into that range. I have my resistance marked for the same spot, but if that wasn't there, then I'd be in on those buys.
Yeah, I think I'll choose on a 15-minute time frame. 15 looks pretty clean above that range. That's kind of how I drew it off of this. So, but yeah, probably around that resistance they're talking about. That's the area where I'll probably manage my positions, manage risk. It's because we're like breaking back into the range. I guess I could play on 1 hour too. 4 hours on a flip. 4 has no topic though. A bit suspicious. How do you know it's going up or down? Which indicators do you use? I use no indicators. I use price action. Yeah, we don't use indicators out here. It's all price action. We use our eyes. EYES. A VIP zone. Jack. Fish. What's up? Thanks for subbing. First time. I want to use a prime sub, sir. Make sure, yeah. How did I say it? How's it go? Oh, I gotta make sure. I gotta have new go-to lines on Twitch now. In the future, I gotta say.
It's really good at it. I forget what he says though.
I have a punchline for it. It's like if you guys have Amazon Prime, you guys can sub for free on your browser, or whatever it was. Yeah, I can get used to that. I can definitely get used to that. Have you heard Twitch Prime? We're gonna get booted off of YouTube, bro. I swear. La Musica. Is the music good though, Andre, or is it chalk too?
I can't hear any music.
Oh, you know what it is, bro? Check your output audio. Check what it's set to.
Didi, can you hear anything or no? Music wise?
A little bit.
Now I can hear it. Oh,
it's loud, yeah. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. That's a bit suspicious. Speaker. Oh, hold on. There you go. Can you hear it now? You definitely cannot. Okay. That's all right.
It's all good, dude. I'm not too worried about it.
Yeah, I don't know why the Zoom's audio is always like Zoom has the worst audio. Like I've recorded myself on Zoom, use that as clips. It's terrible. It's bad. I wish I could use Discord, but they don't have annotations. Down bad. Down bad for real. Hi. What's going on? What's going on, Autumn? What's the analysis say? I'm looking for gold buys. If we were to, or sorry, GJ buys above 155.306. And I'm looking for gold sells if we were to close bearish at resistance here, like right around here. I'm marking this up as a resistance here. If we were to close bearish, I'm gonna look for sells coming down to retest these lows here down at the support. So I'm gonna wait for that closure in 9 minutes here, and we might get an opportunity with the 1 hour closing bearish as well. That'd be perfect. If you can close like right at like 1889.357 on your hourly, and the 30-minute candle closes right there as well. Perfect closure for sells coming down, be a 1-to-1 RR. Boom for a boom. Perfecto. That's if we close bearish though. We gotta close, right? Why do I have 4 viewers on Twitch? Why are you guys watching on Twitch? This is for Tyler exclusively.
Twitch Master Race. Twitch to the moon.
I mean, you guys can sub to my Twitch because I'm probably gonna stream there like starting like I don't know when I'm gonna start streaming there. I'm thinking I have like a dilemma. I don't know, man. Like I want to fully go on Twitch, but I want to be here for a bit longer. Maybe like I want to extend it to next year, but it's too long. I want to make a Twitch like literally today, but I'm not.
You already have 5 viewers on Twitch.
I mean, it's not even promoted too. It's just like yeah. What's
People
up?
just like Twitch.
What's the title for the stream? Oh my god, it's a long ass title. I can change that. Moz, can you change that? Can you change that?
It looks cringe on Twitch.
Can you change that? Mod? If you're a mod?
Did you give me permission?
I don't know. What's permission? I can change it. I can change it. I can change it. I'm gonna put Omega Log PogChamp. Yo, yeah. Oh, thanks for the hold on. I can't see it.
TRM's in.
I love it. Terry Hempson with the follow. Appreciate that. Terry Hempson. All love. Controller baby. What's up, Tyke Myson? Yo, Marcos, can you scream right now? Like, are you in a state right now where you're able to scream in your house?
Bro, you always ask me to scream at like 6 in the morning. Wow.
I need that chairman scream, bro. You ever heard of chairman scream?
Yeah, no, I don't know what that is.
You know what that is? You know how like IMO people, they would
no shit.
Yeah, they scream like ah. That's the chairman scream.
Oh, it cringe so bad, bro.
Yo, Rysum streamed last night. I'm so pissed. I went to bed. I woke up. I saw him. She was streaming with Ellery and Banks was there. And what is this music? I can't play that. Ian Ross was there too. Sag. Can you please check Discord for a chart? I got you. Guys, we have 5 minutes left for our closure. I'm looking for sales if we were closed right here. Especially if we were closed below 1889.405 would be ideal on a 1 hour with 30-minute closure. Sales to retest the lows. Onion. That's kind of cool. I think Dawn with 9 hours of sleep is better than Dawn with 5 hours of sleep. Don't you guys think? Energy's there after rip. No need for pre-market feel and all that. No need for caffeine. Okay, we got a couple charts here. Jordan FX with an amazing chart. I can see it's an amazing chart. Look at those candles. GJ 30-minute time frame. Also buys above 155, 310. Looking for price to come down, form support, then retest the highs. Oof, range. Just like the onion you're looking for, right? As support. That's pretty clean on GJ. Yeah. I didn't draw my support yet, but I think I'll draw it right here too. Perfect. Yep, you actually might get that. You have the 15-minute starter play here. It should drive us down towards that support, and then you can wait for a 15 to retest the highest. Also buys above, perfect as well. Yep, above that resistance, 155, 306, 307, same area, perfect. What's up? GJ, 30-minute time frame. What's my mistake? I think it would uptrend. I took sell. What is my mistake? I think it would uptrend and I took sell. It is an uptrend, right? But why'd you take a sell? You know the follow the trend. We talk about it all the time. If it's an uptrend, you take buys. If it's a downtrend, you take sells only. Using your plan, your entry types, right? In this case, you take a sell here, going against the trend, right? It's like you kind of fake outs. I see you take a starter play. You take a starter play, which is fine, but the trend was bullish. So that's what happened in this case. I think it's better to look for buys after we close bullish at the support, like Jordan just drew earlier on his chart. Or two, you can look for buys if we were to break out the range, which is above like 300, above this resistance up here, right? That's probably what you'll want. Entries would want to be there. Entries two would be up here somewhere above that resistance going up. Josh, what's up? 219. Okay. GJ 30-minute time frame. Questions for Don. Okay, so hold on. Reasons for entries. Closures above the range would consider starter play, but manage to trade more aggressively. 13 pip range. Range 2 sells below here. Okay, guys. Next time you guys send a chart. I love this chart, by the way. It's an amazing chart. Good info. But just make sure you guys put labels on a chart. I don't know what to read. I'm reading like from right to left, left to right, up to down. You know, I don't know where to start. So, buys above their closure makes sense. 18 pip range makes a lot of sense. Reason to stay out. No wicks. Range too small for RR. Questions for Don. What do you think about formation of support buys to the top of the range, 22 pip range? GJ, perfect. That's what we just drew out. Yeah. I think everyone has the same idea at that support at 155. If price were to come down towards that support, close bullish for the onion play to retest the highs, that'd be pretty ideal. That'd be pretty clean. Yeah, I like that idea. Yep. Jordan had the same ideas. Yeah, pretty cool. Yo, Marcos, where was that food you sent yesterday, man? Did you even send it?
I sent it in hashtag food.
Oh, I see. Oh yeah, we have a food channel now, guys. So make sure you guys. I know Anj is
gonna be my favorite channel.
It's Anj's favorite channel. He's got some cook the craziest meals. Go to his penthouse roof, take a picture with his Apple Watch on, with the gold chain on, flexing a. This is always posting food. Yeah, man. L food in the chat, guys. L food in the chat from Marcos here.
What? That's so good. Chicken Milanese.
I'm playing. Chicken Milanese.
Guys, that's adult food. I haven't made adult food my whole life. That was like the first time.
You ever had filet mignon? Filet mignon. You ever had filet mignon?
I think chat's pretty confused. Marcos is Mars Trading. Premier Auto is Andre. I'm talking right now. I'm probably not echoing.
What are they saying?
I think that you're echoing for Marcos for some reason.
You're not. Marcos not echoing. That.
Echo.
Is it echoing? Echoing? Yeah. Marcos, talk for like a good sentence. Like say like, hi, my name is Marcos. I live in America. Echoing? Yeah.
Echo. This is my sentence.
Sentence like say like, hi, my name is Marcos. I live in America. Echoing? Yeah.
Echo. This is my sentence.
Yeah, on your talk, say like whatever.
Gold sells.
A sentence.
Gold sells at 1889.705. Target 1888.09.
On your talk,
There's your signal.
say like whatever.
Gold sells.
A sentence.
Gold sells at 18.
Okay, I got it. I don't know why you're echoing. Okay, second speaker, chat. Is that it? No, a chat. I'm gonna make this yeah, voice chat. I'll make you guys voice chat then. Okay. Say something now, Andre.
The bottom wick on gold might be a little bit too small for these sells for me. I'm gonna wait for the top wick for these sells for 5 or 6 pips. Comes up, gives me a good top wick, then I'm gonna have sell stops at the flip of that candle. Target's gonna be 1888.13. My stop loss is 1898.13. Previous 1 hour high.
Oh wait, you're still talking? Fuck. I couldn't tell if there was a zoom or that. Okay. I couldn't tell if there was a zoom or that.
Previous 1 hour high.
Oh, I fixed it. I fixed it. It's good now. Thank you. Blast up. Dubs in the chat for fix. I changed that. Cool. I don't know if this angle. Yo, Marcos, is this angle a good angle, bro? Or should I do a different angle? Fuck. I don't know what to do. I got this stand. Yeah, I got this stand, chat.
I didn't even know you were on TikTok.
It's some heavy duty. Oh, how did gold close, by the way? Oh, we closed right at that support. That's kind of chalk. That's cool. A little higher. The sun's just in my screen though. Inception. What's that hat brand? No free promo, but I really mess with the company. I really fuck with the company, so I'll let you guys know. It's called go to La Ropa La Ropa hats on Google, whatever. I bought this like 2 years ago though. Minor flex. But these are hats. They have like a bunch of like, you know, cities and stuff, a bunch of teams. They had better stuff like back then, I think, but I don't know. You can check it out. This is the only promo I'll give because I already messed with them. I got like 2 hats, I think, or 3. I think 2. Music too loud, YouTube, or no? It's good. I think someone wants to know about your hat. Okay, read that. I have big problem with trend when we are in an uptrend in higher time frame, but lower time frames show sell signals. Sometimes I get fake up, but sometimes it works. Yeah, sometimes it works, but what's the probability of it working long term? You know what I mean? Like if you were to follow the higher time frame trend, 100% of the time, long term, your trades will play out a lot more than it would be when you're going against the trend on using a smaller time frame. Like sometimes it does work. Don't get me wrong. Like I've seen situations where it did work and I stayed out, and that's called type 2 FOMO. But it's okay. I understand that long term these aren't profitable trades for me, and I don't want to keep having those habits or creating those bad habits of me thinking it's okay to take those trades. Oh wow, topics being formed on gold here. Gold might flip and continue down through test the lows. I really wanted a closure below that support there at 1889.400. We closed like right above it. Bit chalk. FOMO 2. Yeah, there you go. W's. Yo, Circle FX, I gotta make you a mod, bro. You've been pretty active for the past couple of months here. So, hit me up on Discord. I'll make you a Discord mod first, and then I'll add you to a YouTube. I'll make you a YouTube mod. You've been pretty active. I think Andre will say the same, right? Agreed. Been pretty active. I think he deserves a mod.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm gonna buy gold at around 1881 if it comes and sells under 1887. 1881 buys. Oh, if it goes down there, yeah. Or 1891, sorry. Yeah, above there. I see. It sells only under 1887. Yeah, sells below there. Yeah. I really wanted these sells though. I really want to anticipate the sells coming down as we retest the lows again. I believe this is a bearish closure at resistance, confirming at resistance. The only thing holding back is that 1 hour closure. I mean, it did close bearish, but here's the flip. Here comes the flip. It's like the WAP play you have here. Onion / WAP. WAP is just basically another term for onion with a smaller range.
Are you in, Andre?
I'm sorry. You say something?
Yeah, are you in? Because you said you were gonna go in if it flipped or now.
No, I actually was looking to have sell stops on the flip, but that 1 hour right here with that resistance that Don's pointing out, 1889.41.
Yeah.
I would like a closure below that, maybe on the 15, to anticipate sells. If I miss the sells now, I don't know.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
I think that there's a good chance that it could push down here and we could miss it, but sometimes I feel like Don will do this thing where he'll like tell me to just look at one time frame in order to feel confident with the trade. Like, so right now the 30-minute looks really clean to me. I would love to
Super clean.
Yeah, but the 1 hour is kind of iffy. Sometimes when I do that, when I like will go back and forth between the time frames too much, right? Like I think you need to do that in order to like, you know, feel confident in the trade, but that's this. I guess this is an example of it holding me out. I'm actually gonna leave and come back just because my audio is so chalky.
Yeah, Andre, before you leave, go on your Zoom settings and change up your audio there. Turn the audio up or something. It might be that. Go down to like the mute button next to the arrow pointing down and go on down audio settings and then go on audio and turn your speaker up or choose the right speaker that you want to use and then turn your... But yeah, that's it. I think that's it. Just your speaker volume. Turn that up. Turn that up.
Yeah, output volume, right?
Yeah. Turn that up.
Yeah, I can hear. I just turned it all the way up. I can hear it like slightly better now.
I want to use I hate Zoom audio. It's so bad. Oh, how do I change this separate audio device to pay ringtone? Nope. Just microphone. Nope. Does that work? I don't think that change anything. Turn me up. What's up, Vindy? Do. Circle rank like 3 in Discord. Yeah, he's ranked 3 in Discord. Yeah, check your ranks in Discord. Let's see. Let's go to rank.
Can you check other people's ranks as well?
Yeah, check yours. What's your name? Premier Auto? Yeah, Premier Auto. Your rank is 14.
Okay.
Who's number 2?
Kind of trash.
Tyler's number 2, I think. I'm still number 9 because I don't know. It must be a glitch.
Number 2 spot.
Pretty sure I'm number 1 or 2, but it glitches and tells me I'm number 9.
Really? Are you sure it's a glitch?
Yeah, it's a glitch.
Are you sure? Damn. Looks like yeah, get rid of some mods that aren't active anymore, chat. And bring some new ones in. Oh wow, GG came down towards that support there on a 1530. So we can maybe close bullish at this support. I look for bias. A lot of you guys looking for bias actually. I think you sent a chart here. I didn't see. 5-minute time for Andrea. You sent a chart. Bearish trend. You identify as a bearish trend here, and you're looking for bias above 1890. That's clean traffic. Is this highlight thing here to identify the clean traffic? What's that for? What's that for?
Yeah, it's essentially predicting clean candles.
Okay, I got you.
At 3 a.m. on the left, all the way those.
Yeah, clean
like
traffic. This, yeah, the mirror. Yeah. Yes, nice 30 pip range there.
But it's moving down, so.
Wow, look at that 30-minute entry. That was a beautiful 30-minute closure, chat. That was such a beautiful closure on a 30. That would now be a risk-free.
I just got that. I was gonna send my chart. Kind of what basically Andre's explanation. But if you look at the 5, I'll show you. I'll send a chart, but it closed below that support you guys were talking about on the 5, kind of. So I kind of just left my sell stop.
30 was so clean. And thing about this too is that you can leave runners on this, because if you're anticipating price to drive down today, you anticipate price to close below the range too, and then continue down towards 1884 here.
Risk free currently as well right now.
Yeah, you can probably close half here.
89.60. DD, I know you asked me and I said I wasn't, and then right after you asked me, I got in.
Yeah, this is clean to come down here.
Andre, you're my favorite person, bro.
I mean, that's not. DD asked me and I wasn't in at the time. We came up and then it activated my sell stops. I'm currently risk free right now, so this 15-minute closure right now, I think what I'm gonna do is just wait here, and next 3 minutes, there's a good chance though that Marcos, you didn't get 10 pips, right? I mean, it only came down like 7. Came down like 9 with
I got like
spreads.
I closed half at 8, and then I'm just leaving a runner, just because we're at that minor support, kind of rejected a little bit. If you look left on, there's a little wick on the 5, so I closed half at 8. Yeah, there you go.
That's such a clean trade. The 1 hour is identified as, you can call it a WAP too. The onion closing at bearish. Yeah, it's pretty clean trade. 4 hour flipping as well. Super clean.
4 hour was nice. Flipping. Come on.
This is the first thing I said today on gold. I'm like, I want a closure here. What's up? What's going on, Simply Wayne? What's going on? We're just live streaming over here on YouTube, so if you guys want to tune in over there.
Marcos, what was your exact entry?
1889.43. The break of the 5-minute low.
I think you make a lot of money with gold.
9, but I'm not fast enough.
You just push up or down with a lot of volume. You don't have time to close, and now your position is in good profits. Am I right? Sometimes when gold moves like a bit too quick, you can't really close. It just goes down towards the TP. Hey, y'all saw on Twitch? Not really. Nah, not trying to be on Twitch. Just be on Twitch so that Tyler can use it as a VOD to edit later. Guys, did you guys like the video yesterday? I think it was pretty fire. Stick to your training plan. This music's too chaotic for me, man. What's going on, guys? Make sure you guys subscribe, turn your noise on, and leave a like for future videos. Catch you guys there. Peace. Here's why it's so important to stick to one plan every single. Yeah, like the highlights. I think it's pretty fire. New uploads every day at 6:30 p.m. Eastern. So stream will be at 6:30 a.m. and then 12 hours later we'll have a video up for you guys every day. So W's. There are other views on Twitch kind of lit, really. How many people we got there? We got 3. That's kind of cool. Did you close half there?
Didn't close a thing. Just got stops to break even. I got probably like 8-9 pips.
You gotta survive this next 15-minute top wick here in 20 seconds.
I think if you go into the mindset of just anticipating that you could get stopped at break even, and that you're more happy with your entry, like knowing that you took a good setup, you'll feel better in these situations, because there's like a good chance I'm gonna get stopped right now, just because my entry was on the open of the candle, right? So the wick of that current 15 is pretty high, so we can come up and respect the previous 15 high, but not, I guess, respect the body, quote unquote.
What I don't understand is, if you're anticipating that it could hit your stop loss, wouldn't you close like maybe 50% or at least secure something?
In the past, I would have, but it's something I'm working on, DD. Like, I feel like in the past I've closed prematurely, and now that, like, I'll do this thing where earlier in the week I'm like really quick to close 8-9 pips as soon as I get the profits, lock it in. And then after I've got some profits established for the week, like on a position like this, it's like, all right, I have some opportunity to potentially maybe let this run a little bit, or to not close my entire position. So I guess that's something I'm working on for myself, because I would have closed, I think I had like 8 pips, 8.5 pips. I normally would have closed right there with the 15-minute closing, anticipating this next 15 minute could have stopped me out of my entry, but I had already made profits earlier in the week. So this position right here is hopefully gonna get me, I'm gonna just take less or more risk on it, because I've already locked in profits earlier in the week, I guess is my mindset, if that makes any sense.
Yeah, so if it was like first trade or whatever the week, you would secure something.
Yeah, I would have closed at 8-9 pips, especially with the 15-minute closing.
Makes sense.
Wait, what? Why can't you spam emotes? Yeah, JX trade, you can't spam emotes. Why not? That's the whole point of it. Also, emotes are made by Twitchbot, by Nightbot. I turn that off though. I don't get it. Timers, configurations, spam protection. Yeah, turn off emotes. Let me go on options. Limit 100. Emote length 0. Everyone. Yo, try now. Try spamming emotes now. Might work. You have some Inception streaming going on? Yeah, we got TikTok in the back. 2-3 words are semantic. Trigger effects. Does it make sense that the top wick and bottom wick means the pullback of a candle? Yeah. So in this case, we have no bottom wick in this 15-minute candle here. Andre got in a position right here, I'm guessing somewhere around here. So now, thing is, this is the middle of a candle. Oh, it's a flip, right? This candle can easily go all the way up to this area and then come back down to make that retest. You don't know though. That's the thing. You don't know, because technically, as long as you respect these highs up here, you would be we should be able to come down, right? You expect the candle to flip eventually, as long as it respects the previous kind of highs, to continue down with bearish momentum towards the 1887. But in this case, he was around like 8.5, 9 pips in profit, around that range. There's no point of losing that trade, so he would move his stops to break even in this case, which would be right here. So yeah, but yeah, I would expect a pullback on this candle here somewhere. You don't know where it's gonna go, yo. Though that's the thing. That's why I don't enter off retest, because you can enter a retest here and price can go all the way up to here and break the highs, because you're technically entering off of a bullish candle. Uh-oh. Break even.
Oh, my stops got hit.
This one,
Oof.
That's a big oof. Good
That
trade.
was a good, like I said though, Gotta be happy with the setup, happy with the entry. I'll take that.
It's a really good trade. That's one of those trades I think that like if it was 8 o'clock, you would have got like 15, 20 pips like that. Like
Yeah.
fast.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That's a good point, Marcos.
Yeah.
What last do you recommend for GJ and Gold on a 10K account? I'll say you can use probably a 1 or 2, 1, 2, and 3, max 3 probably on like a GJ, and like 1.5 for like 1.5 or 2 for Gold probably on a 10K account per trade. At a time.
15 now that it tapped my entry is gonna flip. Watch.
Hey, did Nature Boy survive that 8 to 81 yesterday? Did it come down to it? I don't think it came down. Oh, it did. It came down a whip. It barely came down actually. Oof.
And he was sleeping, so now he's back in drawdown.
I'm timed out by Twitch 4 seconds. I don't know how to fix that, man. I gotta turn it off though. That's definitely a cultural thing to do. To spam emotes. Let me try. Low. Yo, they took out the Pog one. That sucks. What else do they have? I hear an echo. First playing that.
Might be.
Oh. Where's my favorite emote? You mind tell me what you think about a chart? Yeah, so for charts, send it in the Discord server, guys. Send your charts in the Discord server. I gotta check up on them right now. And we have no charts. Cool. Send them over here. Charts for streaming on our Discord server. We have like around, how many members do we have? 840 members right now. We can probably get to 1,000 members. Is that Jack Fung? Thanks for the sub, man. Or for the follow. Adam, thanks for the follow. Z Ward, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. The fact.
What's up, bro?
The fact, how you been?
Pretty good. What's up with the hoodies? Do y'all ship them out by hand, or because I just bought one?
Yeah, we ship them out. I think Andre said ship them out on Friday, right?
Oh, Friday. Okay.
Yeah.
Friday and Saturday, I'll be shipping them out.
Okay, cool.
Dubs. W. What size did you get?
I got a large.
Oh yeah, I think we got like yo Andre. I think we got like 1 large left, bro.
About to say update. Send me a thing over Zoom of the updated inventory.
I'll send it after the stream. Is that cool?
For sure.
L iPad quality. W camera angle. L iPad quality. Damn. I mean, I see gold going crazy. Yeah, it came down. If you were getting that position, you would hit break even. Look what it respected though. It respected that 1 hour support, right? So that's why I was skeptical about it. But in this case, like you would have been fine if you were to enter position because it came down literally like 8 to 9 pips, almost 10. And you would have been a break even. So that's fine. I would have probably closed that half at like 8 to 9 because just because that 1 hour support, that would have been very aggressive closing a bit earlier as it started to reject a little bit. But now it's breaking the highs there. Yeah. You made a decent amount off that?
Yeah, not bad.
Decent percentage.
Andrea, are you in these buys?
We got water.
I know you sent a chart saying you're buying.
Yeah, unfortunately not, but hopefully it leaves a wick here and then I will be. If this 15-minute can like close or the other 15 minutes closed, and then I would answer.
I was saying this yesterday, but I was saying that gold's kind of in one of those wacky spots where the weekly and the daily haven't broken any lows or highs. So it wouldn't necessarily be an awful thing to take buys or sells in either situation, just because there's not a clear bias on the higher time frames. Weekly's about to flip bullish, so it's kind of one of those things where like you don't have a super clear bias.
Yo, Didi, your name's Andre too?
Yeah. Andrea.
Oh, okay.
What up? What up? What's action, pal? I mean, Patel. What's going on? How are you doing today, chat? How are you guys doing today? Well, look at gold push there above that resistance. Manage your positions, yeah. There was no reason to lose in that trade at all. We literally give you guys, well, I didn't give you guys anything, but we told you guys to move stocks to break even. If you were in that trade there, told you guys to close half, told you guys to do all that good stuff, right? So if you were like stubborn and you didn't want to because you felt like price is gonna go down with emotions, you would have got destroyed after, right? Very important to understand that. Mm-hmm. Yo, Mars, on a scale of 1 to 10, how good is that quality?
How good was that? What?
That quality.
It's like a 6. Wasn't like, I could not see. It wasn't like potato, but it was definitely like not. It was definitely worse than an iPhone.
Because I'm eating a donut right now. Andre, how do you feel?
Say, I didn't hear what you said. Say again.
Nothing.
Nah. Say what you gotta say.
I'm eating a donut.
Don't tell him that's gonna be extra push-ups.
Oh, you're trolling me because you're eating a donut. Okay.
No,
I
I'm not
see.
trolling you. I'm just eating it.
Yeah, you got the workout today, buddy boy.
Buddy boy. Buddy boy. Guys, Andre lets me eat whatever I gotta eat. Just because I just gotta put calories in my body. It doesn't really matter. Yet. Right? Later on though, I'm gonna focus on eating healthy nutritions and healthy food. But for now, I just gotta stuff a bunch of calories in my body. Alright, Andre?
Not for nothing. Yeah, that makes sense. Cause when I started working out, like the biggest guy at the gym told me, he's like, "Yo, forget about what you're eating right now. Just make sure you're eating a lot and get your body used to eating a lot. Once you're eating a lot, then you're gonna improve the quality of your food. Just make sure you have a big intake."
Yo, don't they have like calorie supplements? Like you can just go buy like a calorie powder, I think.
Yeah, but you're much better off with whole foods. Like your body is gonna absorb it better. It's just much better. It's you know, you don't need to substitute real food with chemicals. You can just eat real food and get big as fuck. You know, motherfuckers in jail have no whey protein, you know, but they get out big as fuck just because they're always eating and working out. You know, so don't tell me you can't get juiced or get big as fuck. You know, brolic without steroids. I've seen people come out of jail fucking huge, no steroids. So just, you know, eat and hit the gym.
Moral of the story, guys:
Eating a lot.
go to jail.
Go to jail.
Yeah.
You want to get big? Go to jail.
Don't drop the soap. Don't drop the soap. Show a head and short setup. Head and short setup right here. If you look on my screen here, you got my left shoulder, my right shoulder, my head.
This is trolling TikTok.
No. I swear. That's what it is, basically.
That's funny.
I don't know what angle to put, man. Like, this is like, you can't hardly see anything with this angle. Yeah, gold's pushing above that range, chat. Let's see. Maybe if wow, that 4 had no top wick. You're starting to reject that resistance there. Definitely not coming up, obviously. Gold's pushing up here. Looks like we have to push up towards this resistance here at 1892. How's that 1 hour look? 1 hour close above as well, or breaking above at least. I'm bearish today on gold. I'm not looking for buys, right? So this might be if price were to come back into the range now, I'll look for my sells coming down potentially. If we were to get 30-minute count closure like this, bearish. But yeah, 1 hour will be closing like weak bullish as well, respecting that level of resistance too. Let's see. I'm not looking for buys yet though. I look for buys at range 2 breakouts. So range 2 breakouts for me would probably be like right here. This is range 1. Or you have resistance. Range 2. You have range 1, range 2, and this is range 3. These are buys I want up here above 1895. I'm gonna avoid this mess over here. I'm gonna avoid this mess over here. Or sorry, I'm gonna take sells in there in that range if we pop back, but this is probably what you want. Buys.
I got the same
buys.
range 2 breakout.
Boom.
for buys.
It'd be pretty clean.
I probably won't even. I'll still be precautionary in taking them just because I took sells, and I'm bearish on gold for the weekly and the daily.
Wait, what? I can only pin one person? Pin. And then multi-pin. Oh. And that pin. Oh. And then pin. Find trooper. Remove pin. Add pin. That's weird. I don't know. It's fine. Do you use audio interface for microphone, or just using it without it? What does that mean? Is that like a mixer? I use a mixer. I have a Go XLR. Mixer that connects to my microphone. I can't use a microphone that's by itself. It just wouldn't work. I think that's what interface is, right? If I'm not wrong. You have some extra motivation to work out too. Alright, bro, we're here to get rich quick. Jeez, let's get it. That was in the chat. What am I missing? Cool. Charts for stream. Let me check that real quick. Permado with the chart. What's up? This is Gold chart. 1 30-minute closure at resistance. 2 entering the flip after the top wick. 3 stops for previous 30-minute high. 4 target. 5 move stops to break even at that minor support level. Break even hit at 6. Bearish on gold today. Looking for a normal play. Onion booty. Stopped at break even, but a good trade. Perfect trade. I want to say
That's a good chart right there.
Yep.
A question for Andre / Don. How do you guys feel about this 15-minute if it closes back in the range? Fake outs.
Who wants to go first? I this fake out right here, right? I explained this already earlier.
First, yeah.
I explained it like 5 minutes ago. I'm like, I want sells if we were close bearish back in the range here.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, because the 1 hour will also be closing like right below that resistance as well, respecting that level. So even though the close is bullish on the 1 hour, I'll be fine taking sells on the 30 coming back. Yeah.
Probably wait for 30 over 15, just because I literally just took that position. So I'll wait for a 30-minute closure. But if you wait for the 30-minute closure and you miss it on the 15, then you just got to be okay with that. Like this 15 closes in 8 minutes below 1895.7. Don executes the sells and I don't. And I wait for the 30 and it pushes all the way to the bottom.
No, I'm waiting for a 30. I'm not waiting for the 15.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the 15
Well, I guess we're waiting for the same thing.
was because there's like this resistance. I didn't like it. I'm waiting for a 30 just because I want the 1 hour close for below that 1 hour resistance as well. So
call.
close at the same time in 23 minutes. Yeah, 15 has like that weird level right there. I don't really like it. Also 745 too. Last 15, you might as well wait for a New York Open. You know, makes more sense.
Marcos, would you take the 15-minute fake out back in the range?
No, because as Dodd pointed out, that 15-minute happened last time where it closed below, and then it just shot right back up into the above resistance. So it makes sense to wait for a 30. 5-minute.
Okay, you're back on
Using it more in confluence with the higher time frames rather than taking a trade because of the 5 minute. Does that make sense?
Oh yeah.
So I used to use it and take trades because of the 5 minute and ignore the higher time frames. But if you use them all together, it makes a lot more sense.
Okay.
These buys on GG aren't bad too on this 30 here. If we were to break back into the range there. On this next 30-minute candle here. If we were to get a closure on a 15 closure, probably a 30-minute closure here. It will also be a 1 hour closing bearish, but back into the range. I want buys going up here. The range is about 16 pips above that 1 hour high. Should be pretty clean. Might get a 1 hour start play too.
I don't know why that previous 4 hour on GJ with no top wick is like, just don't like it.
Yeah, rejected pretty hard earlier. What's Chabella? Chabella, exclamation point Chabella in the chat. You'll be able to find out what it is. Use DCHF long term, buy it. I don't really trade that pair, man. I'm looking at GJ and gold only. I remember before I never had commands. I always have to explain the same answer 20 times a day. Don, what is, what is this? What is that? What is a wick fill? Wick fill, boom. That's a wick fill. That's pretty crazy. It's crazy how the chat has evolved too. I've been getting a lot less questions about like what is a wick fill, like those simple things, and now we're getting more questions about like what's the onion play, what's the sorry play, like stuff like that. Chat has evolved next level.
I think we're gonna take a couple steps backwards there once you start getting a lot of crazy growth from TikTok and Twitch.
Yeah, we have
You're
a
gonna get
whole
a lot of the beginners.
A whole different audience to reach. Yeah,
I feel like you've cultivated your YouTube audience right now. It's like you've kind of built them up to have like all these really good questions, and they all know where to send charts and all that stuff. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah. I think that's perfect though. And then later on with the new people, and they'll just these guys will just show them the way over the chat. Like, okay, this is how you do things. This is how you send charts. This is how you do this. This is how you do that. And they'll grow into that after. They'll bring more people in. And it's like a, you know, a loop over and over. It's a repeat. Pretty cool. Someone's like buys on USDC chef. TikTok chat is chopped. Yeah. Like long-term buy CHF, and someone YouTube's like sell bears on USD CHF. I'm not looking at USD CHF chat. That pair is like looking at I don't know. I mean that pair. Let me see that pair actually. Let's see the ranges. I think it's chalk though. USD CHF here. Yeah, this is a daily range here. This daily range consists of 9 pips, or that's 90 pips, right? Yeah, it's 90 pips. That's not bad for a daily range. It's not bad. It definitely is bearish though, especially once it breaks below 994. Oh, I see why you're buying. You're from TikTok. And it's a double bottom here. Double bottom on the daily time for makes sense, but hey, I don't know, man. It's looking pretty bearish, pretty dangerous to have that there. Pretty dangerous. Let's see. I want a closure here. We have 17 minutes left for a GJ closure back into the range on 30. And this gold counts on close in 17 minutes as well. If we can close back in the range on gold on 30 and close bullish back in the range on GJ on 30 as well, will make a lot of sense. This PC, that videos. Guys, I played Apex yesterday. I think I'm starting to like Apex Legends, man. It's a pretty fun game.
How were you doing? Pretty good or what?
I was just like practicing the movement and stuff before I started playing, but like movement wise, like it's pretty fun. Like I think Warzone movement's better though, but like shooting guns and stuff in that game is a lot of fun. I was playing by myself. I was playing just to stay up. I was like dead tired yesterday. I slept at 9.
Marcos, you play Apex Legends, right?
No.
What do you play? I thought you played that.
Cold War.
I play a little Cold War league play. I don't really play battle royales, but I'm looking to get into Warzone more now because I'm trying to convert to PC.
Yeah, man. I don't know why you're not playing Warzone. This is fun.
I wonder what I want to play the next one. I feel like this one's been around so long. Everyone's so good. I feel like I just get clapped whenever I spawn in.
Chat, you want to see a guppy? Look at this.
A what?
A guppy. Look at this. So my boy is like 2 guys are on him, right? I'm like, oh shit, cool. I just stole his car and ran him over. Movement APS is the best. I mean, it's kind of hard to get. I don't know. I gotta see. I gotta play it longer for a bit more. I've only played for like a total of like 2 or 3 hours probably. Let's play Apex, Pathfinder, main here in Diamond. Is there a ranking on Apex? Because if there is, I might start to actually play it consistently. The Warzone, cause Warzone is just like, it's fun, but I don't know. I get a little bored sometimes. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I have pretty good movement on Warzone. That's happening on gold. Yeah, I mean, gold is just like, it closes above that resistance. I think it's just in this range here. It's just in between this area here, and doesn't know what it wants to do yet. I'm expecting another trade. Me too. There's nothing I've taken so far yet though. Her by herself. There's a rank playlist. I see. I'm also here to get rich quick, sir. Are you really watching from Twitch side? I mean, you can see
only watching from Twitch.
You can see chat too, right on the left hand side.
Yeah, so I don't need anything else.
Yeah, Twitch is the motive, for sure.
Twitch also, for some reason, YouTube has a glitch where it like goes black screen a lot, but Twitch doesn't. So I'm just gonna continue using Twitch.
Are you gonna stream tonight? Excuses.
Maybe. I have to. Well, I'm going live for sure, TikTok live, but
excuses.
I don't even know how to edit my overlays.
Excuses. Fuck the overlay. You don't need an overlay, bro. Trust me. You don't need a good overlay. Just do whatever. It's like look at XQC, bro. No, look at Rice Gum. Rice Gum has one monitor. It just has everything on one monitor, like a chat. Everything's on one.
Bro, he has a decade of experience. He's so quick with it. My idea was do TikTok live, like a pre-game on TikTok live, like pre-game Q&A, direct them all to your Twitch, and then go live on Twitch after like 30 minutes, and then you just straight Twitch.
Or just do both.
Instead of having to crack your neck, turn around 180, quick scope, no scope, people watching the back of your head, you know what I mean?
I'll be like, what's going on, guys?
No, literally, like,
alright, chat, I'm back.
Like, imagine you're on stage giving a speech and you got an audience in front of you and an audience behind you.
Hey, welcome to boxing. They gotta fight for all four corners.
That's facts.
All four stages, you know? In a ring. What legends do you use on Apex? I don't know, man. I think I use I like the person that disappears. That guy, the girl with the superpower. She disappears whenever she's in trouble. Her screen turns like black and white. Starts moving hella quick. I like that one. I don't know what that is. So, yo, we can play Shifty. I think once I get used to the momentum, I'll be good. I'll be pretty decent. My first like 2 games, I dropped 1k damage. Yeah, we have about 10 minutes of our closure here with the NY Open here. What up, Ram? What up, J-Boo? What up, Josh? Thanks for tuning in today. We're live on YouTube. I missed the solid showing opportunity. Distractions, LOL. On what pair? Did you really miss it or didn't plan it? That's you know that's what you gotta figure out. Did you miss it or was not planned and then you saw it and you're like, oh, I missed it? That's different. Gotta be real yourself. Would you have caught that trade if you were actually there? Ooh, gold came back down. Andre, you look cold, bro. You good? Look like you're in the North Pole.
My wife has the AC at like 60. It's
Bruh.
fucking freezing. She's like, Gotta be under all the blankets. My hands are cold.
That's
You
a
said
bit.
60.
Nah, it's probably honestly, it's probably at like 68.
It's like 95 outside here, and my AC's not at 60.
What is it at, babe? Six. You got the AC set at 66? Women. Don't trust them.
Fuck, wrong one. Oh my god. I meant to put that one. I put the wrong one.
That was good.
That was good too though. These hot tub streams on Twitch, those are meta, bro. If you guys want to grow a huge audience, just start a hot tub stream. Honestly. Ooh, we might get a closure here. We might get a closure here on gold here. Cause then with the closure on the 30 closing back at the range, the probability of us going back down into that range, the next range, which is down here, is very high. If you look at the 1 hour as well, or the 4 hour as well, we're also starting to flip bearish too. Why can't I erase? We're also starting to flip bearish at the same given time. We're breaking the lows too down there, which will take us up down towards here as well. So we can actually leave runners towards 1884 here for gold. The first cells didn't work earlier, but now it's 8 AM. You have a lot more volume here, so these cells might play out. Seven minutes is a lot of time though, guys. It's a lot of time. Yeah, if it's not even planned, then you didn't miss it. If it's not planned, then yeah, you're saying I should caught this, should caught that, right? Should, woulda, coulda. You don't want to do that. You guys see it all the time. You guys see me miss a 100 pip move sometimes. I'm like, well, looking back at it, I don't think I would have gone in anywhere. This is nowhere I would have gone in. Nowhere that followed my plan, right?
Bro, I can't wait for these hoodies. About to have this hoodie on right now.
You don't even have yours yet?
No. I pick them up this week.
Well, I'd put mine on until my girl put the AC to 50.
Yeah.
It's good I didn't. I only do second entries. What are second entries? What does that mean? What do second entries mean? A FOMO entry? You have news tomorrow? Yeah, we do. CPI. CPI tomorrow. Interesting. June 10th. What happens on June 10th? That sounds like a familiar number. Date. June 10th. What happened that day? June 10th sounds like it's gonna be a nice sunny day. Sounds like a nice day.
Sounds like a picnic day.
Yeah. Hold on. Let me check. Let me check real quick. Oh my god, take someone.
You trying to go on a picnic? You trying to go on a picnic with me?
Yeah, let's go, bro. Oh my god, take someone on a picnic. Thursday. Look at that. 20 degrees. Nice. Perfect. You invited? Yeah, of course.
That's what I thought.
We could we go on a picnic on the hills. Didn't go with flip bullish today. It could, especially if it breaks above this resistance up here. I'm not looking for buys until then though. Right? I'm not gonna hope that gold's now flip bullish. I'm gonna follow whatever gold does today. So let's say it ranges in this, it goes back into this range here. I'll wait for buys above 1895. I'm gonna avoid this whole entire range. I'm not interested in these buys here. My overall bias for today though is bearish though. So only looking for stops, however, if we were to break into this range here or below here. Forex factory is shit. Okay, well, you know, but you know, if you don't like it, you don't like it. Shit. Fuck, what am I supposed to do?
Respect.
I respect it. Normally, if you want to place a buy or a short, the best opportunities are in second entries. Yeah, I guess so. Yep, I guess those are the best entries. I think my best entries are the ones that I would always take. Right? But if your best entries are the second entries, whatever that means, go ahead and take the second entries all the time if it works out for you. I feel like all the pairs is triple this week. It's trippy this week. It's alright. Hasn't been the best. It's been decent though. It's been better in May, I'll say. It's starting to look a lot more like April. Remember yesterday when we were like, oh, there's no volume on gold now, and I was like, guys, there's so much volume on gold right now. Gold popped up, and then next thing you know, it popped all the way back down within 5 minutes. Like from here, it literally popped up from here. I'm like, oh wow, nice buys, and then boom, straight down the other way. So we have decent volume today. It's not bad. There's definitely something there. Now, if we were to break back into this range and then stay in that range, then that's when I'll say it's a done day. It's a chalk day. But that's why I'm looking for ourselves in this area here.
Down at this 30-minute, doesn't close below 1890, 600. Like kind of respects that mini little support there. Will you still anticipate the sells or no?
I want to close below like 1890.229 or something.
Right here?
Yeah, 200. 170, 200. Lower, but like below the support, like something like this, like right around here. And then I'll take my sells.
Yeah.
You from Toronto? Yeah. Yes, sir. Dun, 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 dun. Got smacked by Nightbot. Damn, you can't spam emotes? That's so bad. That's down bad. How can I fix that? I literally have it disabled. Spam protection menu. I'm here. Enable. Okay, try now. Once you get back, I enabled it for. I want to see if that'll fix it. All right, we're getting some volume here in a minute here, so let's play some hype NY music. Gold's not gonna close here. Wow, we closed above last second. There's no sells for me. GJ is in the range as well. Close bear, still no hourly time frame. Daily's bullish though. I'm looking for buys today, right? I want to buy is above 155 here. Day's looking pretty chalk there. I did say today gold was gonna be that nice though. I did say that though in my analysis last time. Like gold is gonna be pretty rangy today. Wouldn't be the best day to trade just because the way we close on a daily. Yeah, and what I mean by this, guys, is buys above here is buys once you close back into this range here, going up the filter range. Should I move it up here? Let's see. How's that 15 look? Nah, I'll probably move back down. 15.
I like it where you have it. I noticed if you look left on the 30, every time we close above that that resistance that you just placed on the 30, it goes up at least 7 or 8 pips up to that next resistance.
Yeah, but what I noticed was like the reason why I wanted to hear was because like last time we closed above here, we popped up all the way through for the whole entire range. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But you can probably anticipate something here because the 15 is also a minor support there too. Pretty nice how that 15 looks on that support. Steady. Oh wow, we closed below. 1 hour closed below. Technically, you expect price to continue down here. Watch out for fake outs though. Watch out for fake outs going against the trend for a day. You know what's gonna happen? We're gonna come down, fill this wick, tap this minor support. And end up doing something like this. Out there, buys for a day would be lovely. Lovely. Hey Tyler, are you here, Tyler? Or you there? W.
Yo, what's up?
No, I was just asking. How long did you get to edit that video yesterday?
Took a long time to download it from YouTube, and then editing it probably took like an hour and a half, maybe.
You feel like you're getting better with it? Like not more efficient, I guess, like quicker.
Yeah, I think so. Yesterday was just a long video with clips kind of all over the place. That's why it took a while.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
Yeah, definitely getting better.
Guys, cowbell hoodies on the merch website. ContrariFX.com. We have 1 large left, or 2, 1 or 2 larges left. Oh, we dropped them 24 hours ago. It's been 24 hours. Are you investing right now? I'm trading FX. I'm investing. I'm trading Forex. Day trading. Filling that wick as expected. Let's see how we react to that wick though. That's a minor support, that wick, right? See how there's a minor support in the 15 there? That is a wick fill in the 1 hour time frame. 5-minute support as well. Let's see. Very crucial area here. I say we break 30-minute lows, we have a high chance to continue down towards 154.964 here.
Hello guys, how are you?
Stefano, what's up?
What's up?
How you doing today?
Great, and you guys, how are you?
Doing good. Kinda watching GJ. In gold. As per usual. GJ's pushing down heavily here. Some decent volume. Is it normal that I take, for example, $120 on gold with an account balance of 1,000? What do you mean? I take, for example, 120 euro on gold. You make 120 euro. I mean, I don't know what normal is for you, but that's That's a 12% account growth on one trade. That's the stuff. Is that sustainable long term? Making 12% every single trade? Is that something sustainable? I'll consider it over risking, but again, it's up to you at the end of the day, right? I'm not gonna stop you from over risking. I just want to recommend it because over risking is very dangerous, man. Buster Bob, Matthias, Aaron, what's up? Anis, Stefan, DTX, Adam, thanks for the follow. Thanks for the subs. For the follows. Thanks for no worries. I like sticking to like 1 or 2% risk per trade. I used to stick to like a 5% risk per trade back in the days, but then over time it got smaller. And yeah, you might say, you know, for $1,000 account, 1% is not much, nothing life changing. But then again, you gotta start somewhere, right? You can't just expect a life changing account off of a small account. It takes time. It takes time to grow that account. It takes time to build that confidence. It takes time to build that trading plan of yours. Understand what your trading plan is. It takes even longer. It's a lot of trial and error. So you want to take your time with it, because if you don't, and you're gonna end up blowing like 20 accounts by over leveraging, over trading, and at the end of those 20 accounts, you're gonna be like, fuck, if I just stuck to my plan from the start and took my time with it, I wouldn't have blown all these accounts. I wouldn't have wasted all that money. But save yourself a couple bucks. It's a very expensive lesson too. Over leveraging, over risking, man. Very expensive. Took me a lot of accounts for me to understand it. But hey, at some point you're gonna get to a point where you're gonna be able to make it all back within one trade. But don't force that to happen though. It'll come over time as you grow. Of course, thanks for your explanation in advance, bro. Can you please tell me if I can earn money with this? I am new here, and how can I do that? You can probably earn money if you love, have a passion for trading. Bro, I got my neck's starting to hurt. My neck's starting to hurt, Marcos. I'm looking like an owl out here, bro. Well, chat. I know people that came into the game though and start off, because not everyone goes through those same habits, or not everyone has the same habits, and it all depends on your life and what you've been through in your career. If you're already established, you know, you got a good working job, most likely you're not going to be over risk, over leverager, because you have nothing to chase, right? Like you love trading for what it is. You have the passion for trading. You love getting better. So you just take trades, you learn as you go. But some people come into the game hungry and they feel like it can be a life-changing thing for them, and off the rip they try to change their life with that one account, and it will lead you to losing a lot more. Maybe going for CPI news.
Oops, sorry, bro.
For what?
I was just gonna say gold just flipped 20 pips in like a second. Like I saw it just happen.
On a five?
Price was just at 1889, like 85, and then flipped to like 1891.30 in like a second.
Marcos, what did you reply to my story with? What? My Twitter. I built that though, man. I'm gonna start needing commissions. 50-50. Stefano with the chart. What's up? My bias are buys, range 1 and range 2. The sells will be a 28 pip range going down, and the buys will be a 21 pip range going up. Nice. Is this GJ on a 1 hour time frame? How's that 1 hour look on my chart? Oh, like that. Perfect. Yeah, same thing I have, kinda. Yep, same exact thing actually. Yep. I like how you got sells below range 2. Perfect for sells. That's a good eye. I need to mark that up too on my chart. Right there, coming down towards here for sells. That's pretty clean.
Yeah, I like the clean traffic there.
Yeah, good eye. However, I think let's see. I think below here is what I want though. A little further below to match that support looking left. Yeah, right around, I want to say here. Those for me will be below 154.842 because then you can look at it as a fake out and it will be a range 2 breakout. Plus this will be a daily, I think this is a daily wick if I'm not wrong. Daily wick will be broken. I'm going on daily real quick. Yeah, perfect. Daily wick will be down there. Let's see.
You'll probably want a 4 hour closure before that, under that 154.889. Just a big 4 hour support level.
Yep.
Maybe like a 9 o'clock trade, 9:30.
Yep. What's gold doing? Go come back into range. Perfect. Yeah. 30-minute closure, 15 closure. Yeah, 15 closure won't be bad in this case.
Would you take the 15 closure if we closed above that 1890 500 level that you have as resistance?
The reason I have for the reason why I didn't answer the first 15 earlier, I don't think I would on the 15. I'll wait for a 30 just because like that support there. But you do have volume here, man. You do have volume here with the NY Open, so we might just push down with the volume. Let's see.
There's a lot of volume right now.
You have like, yeah, the support here, just those wicks there bounce off that support. Closure below will be doing what those counters couldn't do. High chance you have for price to drive. 30 though is just a lot cleaner. Let's see how the 15 looks here. Let's see. Let's see. Perfect little overversion clip for the video. Yeah, Tyler, you know how to extend that. Why does he keep playing this music? I can't play this stuff, man. Huh? Is this guy copyright free? Let's see. Do you guys know any artists out there that are copyright free? Some artists just make music without like getting sound or anything. They just put it up for free for anyone. Let's see. Let me search this guy up. I heard Imagine Dragons were copyright free, but I don't think that's true. Let me see. Aries, what's called? Nah, it's definitely not copyright free. Definitely not copyright free. Do you usually market key levels on a 1 hour first? Depends. Sometimes I do on a 15:30. Not always. The 1 hour depends. It really depends on how different time frames look. If the 1 hour is cleaner, I'll do it on a 1 hour. If the 30 or 15 is cleaner, I'll do it on the 15 or 30. In this case here, gold here, I marked this level here. So you see how like the 15 here, I drew a support here on the 30, but there's a support here. If you go in at 30, there's no support there. There's no candles there, right? It's just a wick. We have never closed below. In this case, that's why I want a 30-minute closure below instead of a 15 closure below. For these styles there. That 15 also had no top wick there too. Guys, careful with this because we didn't really close below. We closed right above it. So any given point, price can still flip bullish here.
Gold's so funny, man.
I know, man.
Like